Welcome back to Superstarglam. We're just going to jump into this look, the original Jaclyn Hill palette. I haven't really used it since I bought it. I just wanted to play with it today. So I'm priming my eyes and I'm using the Jaclyn All About That base nude shadow primer. This is probably going to be a simple look because I'm in a hurry today. I'm going to take the shade named Pukey and I'm just doing like tapping motions because I didn't set the base. So I'm just tapping it all along the crease. Once I got most of the product, I'm going to go in with swiping motions. And I'm going to go in with this, I've mentioned it before, it's the BH, it's one of their new brushes, the BH Cosmetics number 4. It's an actual like fan brush, but it's dense. I'm taking the shade Creamsicle and I'm just going to go over the edges. This brush is so nice because of the shape, because you can really go in and blend out the edges without having it go everywhere. It just works perfect because it allows the color, just the right amount of color on the border where it shows, rather than using like a fluffy brush that kind of like blends everything out and then mixes the color so you can't really tell what color it is. I'm gonna go back with Pukey. Now all I'm doing is just going back with that same brush and that color Pukey and just going in circular motions because I want to eliminate the harsh line. Going back with Creamsicle and just going over the edges. Now with a really fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with Silk Cream, just a tiny bit because I want to help blend out the outside, so I'm bringing it right on the brow bone and helping blend out the edges of Creamsicle. Now with that little fan brush, I'm going to go back to Creamsicle and just add the color again. I like that. Okay. Now I'm going to deepen the outer corner with the same brush that I applied Pukey. I just wiped that color a little bit and I'm just going to take Mocha and stamp it right here in the outside corner and just drag it just a little bit or swipe it just a little bit to that crease, doing a combo of like swiping and circular motions. And then again, taking the fan brush and Creamsicle and just blend out those edges. I want it still a little bit deeper, so I'm going to go in with the shade Central Park. I'm going to go in with this pencil brush and then again stamp it right here in this corner to deepen while I'm still on this color, I'm going to add it right into the lower lash line. Just 3/4 of the way. Now I'm going to go back with Mocha and reapply it in the same area. Just going to use this to blend out Central Park. Because I want to help blend out that color, that dark colors, the Mocha and Central Park, and the shade Creamsicle, I'm going to add another shade in between, which is the color I've been putting on, which is Pukey, on that fan brush. So it's just going to help transition so it's not like super dark and then super light. So there's a color still in between, helping it blend out seamlessly. I'm also bringing it to the bottom to help blend out that shade. Now I'm gonna go in with Creamsicle. And also bringing it to the bottom, all the way from the inner to the outer part of the lash line. And then again, I'm gonna go in with the fluffy brush in that shade Silk Cream, and I'm going to blend out the edges. Just bringing back that color, Creamsicle. I think I want to add more warmness to the bottom, so I'm going to take the pencil brush and add the shade Hunt, which looks like a, I don't know, like a terracotta color. And I'm gonna use this on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with Creamsicle with that same pencil brush, and now I'm just gonna add it below that to further blend out. I'm gonna go in with that little fan brush and just go over. I'm just gonna take that shade Meeks, and I'm gonna wet my brush. I'm gonna take this eye shading brush E55 from Sigma, and then I'm gonna take the shade and light and apply that to the inner corner. Just gonna blend it out here in the inner corner of the eye. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna finish the rest and I'll be back. So this is the completed look, and I completed it with this lippy. It's the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear lipstick, and it's in the Hot Buttered Rum. It smells so good, and I think it matched perfectly with this look. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you next time. Bye.